Good day, everybody. Jewel here with general weather for you, and folks, things are going on. I will have a tropical update for you coming up not too long from now, hopefully. So just hang in there. I would like to report to you to let you know, I really don't like to report this, but as of right now, 15 people have died because of Laura. And very, very sad. 5 people died because they had a generator. Of course, no power's going on. They turned the generator on, but they left a crack in the garage door, and it filled up with carbon monoxide. And that's what made them pass away. They died of carbon monoxide poisoning. But the total so far in death from Hurricane Laura, as of now, is 15. This, of course, is the NAM map as we go through the weather headlines, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, and all kind of things are happening. The remnants of Tropical Cyclone Laura, they're going to track eastward through the mid-Atlantic states today, and that's going to bring the potential for widespread rain. We've got some severe weather to look at, along with gusty winds that's going to happen, because a cold front is coming in, and the moisture from the cold front and the remnants of Hurricane Laura that used to be, just remnants of Laura now, of course, they're going to all mix in together. That's what's going to cause this severe weather. The severe storms and flash floodings possible across the Ozarks and the Tennessee Valley, severe storms for parts of the Central Plains, and heavy rain is expected across the Southwest. Heat, and hot. We got triple-digit heat likely across Tennessee into the lower Mississippi Valley. And, of course, the wildfire threat is continuing for much of the Northwest. Thanks for watching. I always appreciate you watching, sharing, the donations that you send me. I appreciate everything you do for me, folks. And if you haven't subscribed, I want to say thank you to all my new ones and all my regulars. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click subscribe, click that bell, and check off all to ensure you get all of my latest videos and watches and warnings as I put them out. We will have a chance of some severe weather today, folks, in many places. As you can see, looks like these severe storms are possible for parts of eastern Oklahoma into Arkansas this afternoon and evening, with damaging winds and large hail being the main threats. Now, a few strong to severe storms are going to be possible from portions of the Carolinas into the mid-Atlantic and New England during today, the daytime hours, and we can have damaging winds, tornadoes, and hail. So be aware of all of this as we look and check out the chance of tornadoes. 2% chance down in Oklahoma, Arkansas, and the southern areas of Missouri. All of the Carolinas in North Carolina, a little of South Carolina here, moving right on up, as you can see. Yesterday in Pennsylvania, around State College, they had severe thunderstorms, and boy, did the rain come down. Looking like, for the most part, the very severity of this for eastern North Carolina, moving up into Virginia, and even in southern New Jersey, should be in the afternoon hours this afternoon. Now, when it comes to eastern North Carolina, I can tell you what's going on, because that's where I live here. We do have a chance starting around 2 p.m. This may happen, it may not. It depends on how the little cells make up. But if you do have hail, it could be anywhere from a dime to a quarter size. If you do have wind in these storms as they come your way, they could have wind gusts of 50 to maybe 60 miles per hour. That's what it's looking like right now. And that goes all the way for all of this section of eastern North Carolina, Virginia, moving right on up. However, I don't think it will be quite as severe for New Jersey as it will be down south of New Jersey. Over here, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, you guys, you do have that chance of some gusty winds popping up today, so please be aware and stay safe. And, of course, this is the GFS map. This is the regular GFS map. That gives you the average precipitation rate along with the pressure. Courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. Thank you, Levi, for sharing. I see I've cut the southern tip of Florida off, so we got to fix that. Now, here we go. Alright, I've run this up until, as you can see, September 9th. And if you remember the other day, it looked like a really bad storm, possibly even a hurricane strength system was coming up the coast. Well, this is a prime example of how these models read things. Some read things faster than others. It's not there now. I've got it run up to the 9th of September, as you can see. Not to say a system won't make up, because if we click through a couple of frames here, you can see. It's just a low system, though, folks. It's not a great big storm. It tries maybe to get some tropical characteristics to it. As you can see, these isobars are beginning to form. But as of right now, it's looking like it's just going to be a very strong low-pressure system. It could change. I'll keep my eyes on this, and you can see where it's going up into the Delaware, New Jersey area. And when it does, see how it weakens right straight out, just like that, and moves up. It's just a big rain system. So, with that said and done, I'm going to turn this on and just let it roll and finish up telling you what to expect today. Now, the remnants of Tropical Laura, Tropical Cyclone Laura, they are going to continue tracking eastward into the mid-Atlantic today, eventually becoming absorbed by this cold front I keep talking about, existing and exiting the East Coast tomorrow. Now, the combination of the cold front and Laura will continue the threat for this moderate to heavy rainfall, strong to severe thunderstorms and gusty winds across parts of the central Appalachians and the mid-Atlantic states. Now, widespread rains are also likely into the northeast associated with this warm front lifting through the region. Now, the trailing end of the cold front boundary, it's looking like it's expected to stall across the Tennessee Valley and back into Oklahoma. Now, that would result in showers and thunderstorms through the weekend for you guys. Storms may contain heavy to excessive rainfall, as well as the potential for a severe storm to pop up. South of the wavy frontal boundary, above normal temperatures across the southern plains and lower Mississippi Valley will persist, with daytime highs near or above 100 degrees and even warmer heat indices. Heat advisories right now are in effect across much of those areas. And elsewhere, severe thunderstorms are also possible across portions of the central plains, along and ahead of another system exiting the west by Sunday. Now, across the southwest, showers and thunderstorms will increase on Saturday today, with heavy rainfall and localized flash flooding threats that are possible. In the northwest, gusty winds and dry conditions are expected to contribute to elevated to critical fire weather conditions across the eastern parts of Washington State and Oregon and into the northern Rockies and central Intermountain West. Widespread red flag warnings are in effect across all of those areas. The wildfire conditions are not getting any better at this moment, folks. So that's a check of your weather in general and your severe weather. Please stay safe, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. I thank you for everything you do for me. And may you have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, and peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you for watching.